Hello audiences of Curtain Tutorial YouTube. This is the size of the curtain before sewing. Fold the curtain in a triangular shape. This is the top curtain. You try to see and pay attention. "20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. 59 centimeters. 59 centimeters. 59 centimeters. After being cut, this is the curtain size. Then open the curtains. See the size of the curtain on the left. Watch my hand. This distance is 10 centimeters. This distance is 2 centimeters. 10 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and this is the rest. This is the left curtain. And this is the curtain on the right. Left and right curtain sizes are the same. Come on, let's sew this curtain. You try to pay attention. We sew, starting from under the curtain. Starting at 10 centimeters in size. Then followed by the next 10 centimeters. Find the measurements 10 centimeters for 2 centimeters. Fold like this. You try to pay attention. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. After this video, I ask for your help. Share this channel as a token of my gratitude. And I hope you have peace. Thank you, Curtain Tutorial friends. You are amazing.
Perhatikan saja ya. Sudah selesai bagian kiri. Lalu sama bagian kanan juga. Nih ya. Bagian kanan sama. Oke, bagian 10 cm dan diikuti dengan 2 cm. Maka hasilnya adalah seperti ini. Ini adalah jadinya. Oke, terima kasih. Jangan lupa untuk klik tombol subscribe and like, share video kami. Inilah hasilnya.